Hello, good day to you. This is 10KBM and we are your friends. Today we're going to be talking about the third business you should go into in 2020. The third business you should go into in 2020. Now, this business is very simple and lucrative. It can give you money daily, monthly, weekly, depending on how you want to do it. So the third business is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency right now is getting widely acceptable right now. It's getting more acceptable in most countries right now for transactions. You can actually use it to buy a lot now. You can even use it to apply for visa and get your tickets for your plane and even get a cup of coffee. So cryptocurrency is the next business you should go into. And the best part is that you can start with as low as $3. You can start with as low as $1. You can start with as low as, if you're in Nigeria, and you can start with as low as 500 naira. You can get cryptocurrency from Ludo directly from your bank account. You buy just 500 naira worth of cryptocurrency. You can decide to hold and wait for that particular currency to grow, because it grows with the demand, or you can decide to trade it. So you have different choice, and you can start with as low as 500 naira for Nigerians and as low as $1, $2, $3 for other countries. So the ball is in your court. Cryptocurrency right now is getting widely acceptable. If you're not getting into the crypto market right now, you should go into it. The people who earlier went into cryptocurrency right now are happy and excited, because most of the currency they bought, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, they all went up so much. Some started from just $5, $10, $11, and now they are up to $1,000, and $100 and all that. So you should go into cryptocurrency right now. You want to trade cryptocurrency, there are many trade signal groups that you could join. Some are for free, some are for stipends, but you should go into cryptocurrency. I also am into cryptocurrency trade. I trade cryptocurrency, and right now I'm also holding some of cryptocurrency, because I know that as the year goes by, the price of cryptocurrency increases and the demand and the use for it keep increasing. So it would be unwise for you not to be among the benefactors right now. To be unwise for you not to be in crypto business, even if it's just. But I will advise you to put the money you will not miss. The money you will not miss. The money you won't miss. The money you won't regret losing, because as well as the market is very nice and ripe and lucrative, some coin can go up and immediately tear down, go from green to red within an hour. So you need to do your due diligence and need to put the money that you won't miss. Go into cryptocurrency in 2020 and you'll be happy and glad you did. I know people make hundreds and thousands of dollars daily from cryptocurrency. I know people make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20% from each money they invest in cryptocurrency. So you should go into cryptocurrency today. Cryptocurrency business is one of the business you should go into. You should do your due diligence, you investigate, make research on how it works, or leave your comment below if you really want to know much more about cryptocurrency right now. Comment below and then we can send you links on how to get to know more about cryptocurrency and updates on cryptocurrency, and also some trade signals you should join that are very cheap and affordable to join. This is 10KBM and we're your friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed before.